What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be putting some sow deadening on the OBS Chevy. I'm also going to be replacing the carpet, but not in this video. That will be in the next video. Today I'm just going to be placing this all over the floor under the carpet, and hopefully there's enough to put some on the roof. So if you guys didn't know, recently one of my cars got stolen. It's the little van. I had all the OBS Chevy trims I needed to complete the truck, and they stole it. So I don't have a roof liner right now. I had the pillars, the red pillars. I don't have them anymore. Like literally the remaining things I needed to finish, they stole it. So for now, this is all I got that I'm going to be doing to the truck. Hopefully soon I go to Pick and Pull and get lucky enough to find a OBS with the red interior. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in a bit. Peace. Alright guys, I took out the seats. You guys will be seeing those in the next video or the next two videos, but now I really need to remove the whole carpet. I'm gonna be removing this as well. It's probably gonna need some cleaning underneath, so I'll clean it and then put down the sound deadening. I don't know if there's gonna be enough though, if I'm being completely honest. So I really wouldn't care if there's not enough for the roof, because obviously I'm not gonna get to the roof anytime soon. I'm gonna just go ahead and start removing the carpet. So the amp has wires, and I don't have the right size Allen wrench to take this shit off, so I'm just gonna have to be working around it because I can't disconnect it. I just took off the manual transmission little square. I am going to go ahead and vacuum the mess there is, just so I don't put on the sound deadening on dirty surface. You guys can't even see, so I'm not gonna record this part. Alright, so y'all still probably can't see, but I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the whole surface with the microfiber towel, and then get a damp one and wipe it down again, and then get a dry one and wipe it down one more time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on putting down the sound deadening. Here's the sound deadening. It's not too thick because this sound deadening was not supposed to be for this truck in the first place. It was supposed to be for the K-van. So I didn't get a thick one because, well, you know, I didn't think it was gonna be for this truck, and I didn't even have the truck at that time, so yeah, I never thought of it. But it is from Amazon. I don't know how much I paid, but I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting it and putting it on the truck. Hopefully I have enough for the wall right here, at least the wall. Like I said, the roof, I'm not gonna get to it anytime soon, so I don't care about the roof. Alright, so I cut it to size just for this side right here. As you can see, this is gonna be close to the edge. Well, I don't know if you guys can see this part, but close to the edge. I'm going to line up to this curve. I will try to fit some more of the sound deadening on up here, but for now I'm focusing on the floor, and I'm gonna go ahead and put another one of these layers of sound deadening on that side, and eventually move up to the middle. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is on one side, but my dumbass, I forgot about the fucking holes on the fucking seats. So here's one, and I don't know where the other one is at all. And it's literally about to fucking rain, I feel it. I might just have to finish this some other day. I have work tomorrow too. I'm gonna see if there's VTO. I'm gonna just call out. Nah, I can't afford that. God damn. Where the fuck is the hole in this? God dang it. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to look for the hole after I'm done with the other side, because I'm taking too long. I need to be faster. There was a bit of sunlight when I started, and now it's completely black outside. So sorry that I'm not recording this. Might be a short video, but I gotta finish this now, so I'll catch y'all when I'm finished. Alright, this is what I got done so far. The two ends. I'm about to start with the middle. Since it's gonna be like this empty, I'm gonna cut one of these in half and place it all on this side. Alright, almost done now. I'm just gonna be measuring the wall, cutting it out, and putting it on. This is what I did. It's not the best job, but at the same time, you know, it's not gonna even be noticeable because it's gonna be under the carpet, so really don't care for that. Alright, got it all sized up, wiped it down, time to put it on. I am going to be leaving these areas blank just because I don't want to use more of the sound deadening, so I could have enough for the roof. Because looking at the roll, I think I will be having enough for the roof, so I'm just not going to be touching these areas right here. But check it out. This is the passenger side. This is the wall, driver's side, and I did have to cut the ends on this side. So what I did, instead of throwing that extra piece of sound deadening, I just put it right there. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And next video, y'all will see me install the carpet. I'm about to do it right now, so it might be the same shitty quality. I just need to get this done. Once again, like, comment, sub, and I'm out.